University. As you're all aware, this year's general elections for the Guild will be conducted online through our Management Information System Alpha. So kindly come to Alpha and log in with your access number, for example, and then type in your password. Okay, once you're able to log in successfully, click down and click on utilities, then click on university elections. Once you do that, it will open for you a page which has all the information for applications, nomination, and elections. Okay, so this is important for all students that are interested in becoming student leaders. So in case you need to become a guild president, for example, come here, click on apply. When you click on apply, it will open for you the form that you're supposed to fill. For example, now here you're supposed to type in your phone number, okay, and then you're also required to type in your email address. Okay, so here you're also asked to upload your baptism card, for example, so you can browse and then you can be able to, okay, let me use this. This is just for demonstration, but when it comes to your application, make sure you type in all the correct information. So here you're also asked to type in your passport photo size, so you can click here and then upload. Then also here you can type in your passbook. Okay, so you take a pic of your front of your passbook and then upload it. Then here you can type in your results, you can paste your results if you have them. And then here you can paste your CV. And then here you can paste your application letter, for example. Okay. All right. So please note where there is image, please attach an image, and where there is a PDF file, please attach a PDF. So once you've done all that, kindly come here and submit. But before you submit, please ensure that you're comfortable with everything that you felt. In case you have a challenge, you no longer want to apply for that position, please click on cancel. If you're confident that every information you have fed in is okay, please click on submit application. Then submit and then continue. Okay, so once you do that, your application will be received by the Electoral Commission team, and then it will be worked on and you'll be communicated to. But before your nomination is processed, you need to pay a certain fee. For example, if you're applying for a position of guild president, you are required to pay a nomination fee of 80,000 Ugandan shillings. And if you're applying for these other positions, for example, member of parliament, you're supposed to pay a nomination fee of 50,000. And at this stage, in case you made a mistake, before nominations are approved, you can do the editing, you can make changes. At this stage, you can be able to make any changes, but after approval from Electoral Commission, you may not be able to do any changes. So the example I've showed you is an example of the position of guild president. Okay, it's an example for the position of guild president. But we also have students who may be interested in other positions. So I'll show you another example for example, for member of parliament, and then we shall proceed with that. For example, if I'm a student by access number S72567, punch in your password. Okay. Okay, so once you're able to log in successfully, please scroll down again to utilities, university elections, and then come on this page, which has all the details and all the positions available for you to apply for. So for example, if you want to apply for MP, maybe resident or non-resident, you can come here and click apply, and then here also you'll be asked to fill in the form. For example, you type in your phone number, okay, and then type in your email address, okay. Then please go ahead and again upload whatever EC will ask you to upload. Please go ahead and upload. These uploads depend on the position you're applying for. You may be asked to upload different documents at different stages of application. If you're applying for guild president, you may not be asked the same information as a person applying for MP non-resident. So go ahead and upload. Okay, ensure you upload correct information, because here I'm just demonstrating, so I'm just uploading, but when it comes to your application, ensure that you upload correct information. The process is the same. There's no big difference. The way the guild president applies, the same way the other members of parliament and all that apply. So come here and click submit. Okay, and also your application will be received by the Electoral Commission team, and it will be approved after you've made your fees, your nomination fees. It will be approved, and you'll be called upon for the general elections. Otherwise, I want to thank you so much and wish you God's blessings in these elections. Alpha and Omega, God the beginning and the end.